Aloha everyone, Sky Cubby here, founder of Medicinal Foods, sharing with you my favorite smoothie mix quickie on the go with living greens and wild blueberries. Wild because it's got those good yeasts on the outside of the berry that gives you the healthy gut flora. And you're just gonna mix about 1.5 cups of water. Just so the blueberries are just covered with the water. You know, you can do 3 tablespoons is what I normally do, or I just kind of go like that. And I like to add a chunk of ginger. The ginger helps to warm it up because you have the frozen blueberries. There you go. You know, when you make it with the living greens, it turns bright purple like that. I notice it's like red normally, but the living greens really alkalizes it even more. And let's pour it out. Oh yeah. The little bit of sweetness in the sugar-free living greens just really brings out the blueberry taste. And oh, it feels so good, super nourishing, and just really hits the spot. So you can replace a meal a day with this amazing smoothie, and it's high in enzymes and probiotics. It's 10 veggies, 4 grasses, fermented. Has an amazing sweet taste that is from a little bit of stevia extract, so it doesn't have that real strong stevia taste, and it kind of has this berry apple spice taste to it. And when combined with the blueberries, it just really brings out that blueberry taste. So this is my favorite go-to smoothie, and I'm so happy to share it with you because, you know, as we cleanse at this time of the year, you know, this is something you can actually transition into a cleanse with, whether you're doing a chocolate superfood smoothie mix with our cacao elixir or doing the coffee break. There's so many different beverage blends to transition into a deeper cleanse with colon hydrotherapy, colonics. You can do a liver gallbladder flush, but these tools can make it yummy on the way to transition into a deeper cleanse. So happy equinox, happy changing the seasons, and until next time, aloha. So good.